Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Leapmotor C10 REEV, range extended electric vehicle. So first of all, we'll go into settings, I'll go into Bluetooth, watch out at the bottom for Bluetooth. Some over here, you see the Bluetooth sign at the top, click on there, Bluetooth is on, vehicle name Leapmotor BT, it's already come up. So I'll click on that, Leapmotor BT. Showing Barry's iPhone 17 here. Pairing code 436498. Again, it's not likely to be any other pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. And there you go. It's connected.